Hello, Lisa from Profit and Loss Roofing LLC. This is Joel from JND SEO, and I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can improve your website and beat some of your competition online. At the end of the video, if you have any questions or just want to hear some more information, feel free to reach out. I'll send you some more information or answer those questions for you. If not, no big deal. Then I'm going to give you some free tips and strategies in the video, and you can go ahead and use those for your site. So as you can see, I'm on your home page. We're going to talk about 3 topics. We're going to talk about content, links, and citations. So let's just start with the content here. As you can see, I'm on your page. Now, you guys have one of the business sites, so you might be a little limited. I see you guys do have some reviews up here, which is really good, with a bunch of pictures of jobs you've done, which is awesome. And then you have your phone number as well as your hours for your business. Now, what Google cares about the most is really all this, right? They want this content. And they really want to have about 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Now, I know you guys might be a little limited with this, so I'm going to hop over to CMS Roofing. They're one of the top results in the area. And if we look at their page, we're not going to find 1,500, but we're going to find pretty close because they're going to have about a little over 1,000. If we hit View All, we could see more here than what it looks like, but they're going to have just a little bit more here. So they're not optimized yet. And if they had 1,500, they'd show up a lot higher in their results, or you guys would if you beat them. So really, you just want to have more content than them, but you don't just want content. You want to have keywords in that content. So I've just used roofing, bowling, green, KY for Kentucky here as an example. Keywords just commonly grouped phrases or groups of words that are searched the most frequently into Google searches or other search engines. This one alone, I already know, brings in 150 people every single month. And so if you want to be found for this one with 150 people every single month, you have to have this keyword on your page, and you really want to have it in your content. So 3 ways to show up on the first page. You could pay for ads, as these top 3 have. You could show up in the map pack, or GMB, Google My Business. Top 3 show up in the preview window. That's really where you want to be. Or you could show up in the organic section where you're going to get 10 results on every page. And you can see CMS Roofing is at the top there. So the way to get in the organic section, we talked about 1,500 words of content on your homepage and getting those keywords in your homepage as well. The other thing Google wants to see is they want to know they can trust your website. So if I go to your site right now, Profit and Roofing Business Site, and put it into a program that I pay for called Eris. This just allows me to analyze your site, see how it's performing. I can see at the top here you've got your headers, which is really good. And you got your business name as well as a keyword. Great job with that. This is going to allow Google to find you a little bit easier. Now, even though you guys do have some numbers for here, these are a little bit inaccurate because they're more for just Google's business site, Google overall. That's why the power is so high on this 92. But you guys do have 6 referring domains with 21 backlinks on them. So I'll just talk about those quickly. And the UR number, this is your trust with Google. So right now, you guys have these 6 referring domains. These are just other websites you're linked to. You're linked to them through the backlinks. These backlinks are on these. Backlinks are links just like this proof and loss roofing.business site right here. If I click this, it's going to bring me to your site. Same thing with a backlink. So backlinks are on the referring domains. A great example is like a Facebook business page if you guys have one of those. Your Facebook business page would be your referring domain where you put your web address on that business page, your Facebook page. That would be your backlink. When you click it, it's going to bring you back to your site. So that's what links these other sites with yours. Now, with these sites pointing back at yours, we can see the 6 you guys have. 2 of them are strong. I'd recommend those 2. Those are giving you guys a little trust with 13. Usually that brings up more keywords, although I don't really know how many you guys really have right now, but none are showing up with 0 traffic. So let's hop over to CMS Roofing. We can see they got their headers up here as well. They have 379 links on the 90 referring domains with 90 sites pointing back. 57 of their 90 sites are strong, giving them a trust of 24 with Google. You can see their power is a 12. And they're getting about 96 actual keywords they're showing up for in searches like roofing, bowling, green, KY, we use as an example. And they're getting actually 97 visitors to their site every single month. Now, bringing in about 100 visitors to your site a month should net you about 20 to 30 actual phone calls. And depending on what your closing percentages are and ratios for sales, that would tell you how many actual jobs that's going to be for you guys. Now, we can actually go to the referring domains with a program like this. There's a few other ones as well. We can see all the sites pointing back at them that are giving them some of their trust and vouching for them. And we can go ahead and get the same ones. We can create memberships for those sites or profiles, and we can get all the same ones. Then we want to add more on top of that, and then we can beat them. The idea being, if it works for them, it's going to work for you. And so why not use the kind of the strategy that they've shown you already? So that's just for the organic section. You want to have the 1,500 words of content, keywords in it, and you want to make sure you have strong sites pointing back at yours. If you want to show up in the GMB or map section, you want to have your citations. And that's just getting your business name, address, and phone number all listed into directory sites like Home Advisor, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, and your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. The more of those you have, the better. These guys, if they had 30, you want to have like 130 to beat them. But you can see the numbers all displayed as well as the websites. They're going to get a lot of direct calls here from being on the map section of the top 3. And if you wanted to do ads, you just have to pay more than these guys, and you'd show up at the top 3 in their spots. All right, I hope that was helpful for you today. If you guys have any questions, like I said, feel free to reach out. I'll give you a call in about a day or so if I haven't heard back from you, and just ask you if it was helpful and if what you guys thought of the video. But thank you for your time, and have a great day.